guys, we are at 2020 CES. That's the Consumer Electronics Show. There are multiple things here. Of course, we are at the North Hall, which has multiple companies like Kicker, Pioneer, all that. Check it out. This is right here. It's going to be the SIDA. Now the SIDA is actually here. I've been looking at Android head units, and my channel has been focused on these radios. So let's take a look. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with an Android head unit, it's basically using a double DIN. This is a universal setup right now, but they also have units that are more tailored. This would be for the Forerunner. So if you were looking for a more OEM look, but you want to have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, TPMS, DVRs, and stuff like that, you can go for something like this. So let me just show you this universal one, because this one has a pretty cool demo. If you want to check this out. So this is the radio itself, and it's kind of like a tablet, but it has radio, Bluetooth, music, stuff like that. So it's GPS. So it's a radio that has like tablet-like features more than a tablet that has radio features, like car radios. Now what you can do here is, if you have an Android head unit, you can have everything built in. So let's say if I had a Honda Civic or something like that. If I had a Honda Civic, I want to have a DVR camera, and you can buy that as an accessory. So this is a DVR camera. You'll put it this is where your mirror would go for your rear mirror camera. So now you're gonna have this, and then you're gonna have a dash cam effect. So there you go, you have the DVR right there, and it's recording when your car's on, or you can even set it depending on how you want it. So if your car's off, it's still recording too. It records based off of motion and stuff like that. So that's super cool, having everything integrated into this radio. Speaking about integrations, new for this year is gonna have these cameras. So generally, we have a backup camera. These backup cameras generally are more of a standard definition. But now for this 2020, we're gonna have more of it's called AHD, and AHD, you're gonna have a higher resolution, clear reverse cameras, if that's what you guys are interested in. Don't know how to access that feature. Let me see if the front camera. So there you go, you can see right there, this is the HD camera. It's a new product, so if you guys want a more high resolution reverse screen, definitely check out these new cameras. OEM, like the Super BRZs, the cameras isn't very good, so swapping out with more of a high fidelity, that's super slick. Now you can also have a front camera that's not hooked up currently, so you can have a front camera, and then you can have a reverse camera too. That brings a lot of parking assistance when you're driving. Another feature you guys can have, of course, is TPMS sensors. Now, if your car doesn't have TPMS sensors, you can add it, and you can have it monitored, and so forth. So these are built in. You can either get the caps. These are internal ones, and this way, when you're driving, you can know your tire pressure, which is, of course, nice. That way, you know when you have a flat tire or not, and that is useful. That just piggyback tails to the back. What else is new? And of course, we have these nice value speakers. These are also the SIDA speakers and tweeters. We actually have these on the BRZ. They sound great. They're bumped up from OEM for sure. And yeah, it doesn't rattle. It just sounds a lot more clear, and it has a nice weave pattern. And looking at other stuff like this, we also have all these head units are going to have wireless Apple CarPlay, wired Apple CarPlay, and wired Android Auto as a feature if you want to add that on. So right now we have an adapter right here. So these Android head units definitely are expandable. So if you have USB, they have a bunch of USBs. This one in particular has 3 USBs out, so you can plug in your hard drive or your flash drive, or just to charge your phone. This adapter right here allows you to have, if your head unit doesn't have it, you can have wireless Apple CarPlay, and if you want to plug it in, you can have wired Apple CarPlay for a more stable look, which is awesome. Let's see. So there you go. You can check out, this is Apple CarPlay right here, and currently we have it wired because it's just, having it wired, Stanley, better. And we are at the Las Vegas Convention Center right now for CES, and it's using all the data from the phone, so all the graphics and rendering, it looks really nice. Go to 3D mode. So you can zoom in. Look at that. So that's really slick, and of course you can also go to, you can change it up. This is the new UI. I'm not too familiar with the new UI, and then you have other things you can check out too. So that's really nice. Apple CarPlay on this, and of course you still have Android Auto and all that goodness. What else should we talk about? And there's features like Bluetooth that it has. It has Wi-Fi, so if you were hooking up to YouTube at home or something like that, you have or you have a hotspot, you can check that out. Another thing is, if you have steering wheel controls, you can also do a macro and program your steering wheel controls. Now let's look at some other products in a bit, but that pretty much concludes kind of like a tutorial of CES 2020. What kind of features this head unit kind of brings to the table in 2020. Now, I've been a fan of these head units, and they've been growing so fast, and it's been incredible. This head unit in particular, the universal 10-inch, rotated, so you can actually rotate it, which is nice. It's rotatable. This head unit has been my favorite head unit of 2019. So 2020, it has some minor upgrades where it's more of an upgrades when it comes to accessibility, like accessories, like the AHD camera. But it was my favorite head unit in 2019. So, Kim's favorite too. So, yeah. Pretty cool head unit, and this is the booth.